Bienvenidos. Welcome to Learn Kitchen Spanish. We are honored to present a comprehensive language course designed specifically for the people that work in the restaurant industry. This course was created to help people that do not speak the same language learn to communicate and erase their language barrier bilingually. Improved communication will enable you to maintain a safer, more harmonious workplace by learning to communicate as a team. Each lesson's objective is to provide you with sentences and phrases you can take to work to enhance communication and kitchen efficiency. Clearly, learning a foreign language is not easy, but you can do it. It just takes time and repetition. Research in second language acquisition has shown that a word must be repeated 80 times before it becomes a part of your natural vocabulary. Our methodology focuses on repetition through sentence construction, teaching you the patterns of the Spanish language. Once you learn the patterns, it is a matter of changing pieces of those patterns, verbs, nouns, adjectives, etc., to say whatever you want. Therefore, you will want to repeat each lesson several times before moving on to the next. Likewise, by tailoring lessons specific to the restaurant industry, the vocabulary you learn in our lessons can be put into practice at your place of business. If you are fortunate enough to work with native Spanish speakers, ask for their assistance to create an immersive language exchange, providing the team with more opportunities to practice Spanish and English. Speaking a foreign language should be fun, so we have planned entertaining lessons that we believe you will enjoy. The course is designed so that each lesson builds upon and reinforces each other. Start at the beginning, follow the lessons in sequence according to your individual needs, and enjoy the program. The supplemental materials in this program serve as scaffolding to support you learning Spanish. Vocabulary lists and grammatical explanations will help you create more advanced or sophisticated language. Invest the time here and you will see your fluency grow. At Learn Kitchen Spanish, we are interested in your feedback and look forward to building a global community with you as a valued member. Our pledge to you is to produce relevant, meaningful content. We will provide our student community with Q&A sessions, surveys, and of course, we welcome any feedback to enhance our lessons. Remember that making mistakes will be awkward and, at times, funny. But taking risks with the language is the best way to learn. The native speakers in your kitchen are learning a second language as well. So while they may laugh at mistakes, they are laughing with you and not at you because they are connecting through the shared experience of learning another language. As Lao Tzu said, "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step." And enjoy the program.